Hello friends, I am Sheila and welcome to my channel Kitchen Tales. Today I am going to show you my way of making mocha cookies ice cream and kaju kishmish ice cream. It tastes very delicious and creamy. Today I am going to show you how to make it and I'll tell you all the ingredients while making the ice cream. For the ice cream I have taken 2 liters of milk and I have kept it for boiling. I'll let it boil till it becomes about 3/4 of it. And I'll see to it that it doesn't stick at the bottom of the vessel. So I'll keep stirring it occasionally. And now you can see that it has reduced to the 3/4 of what it was. Let it boil for some time. In a bowl, take 2 spoonsful of corn flour, put some water and stir it. And add this mixture into the boiling milk. Keep stirring so that the mixture doesn't stick at the bottom of the vessel. Let it boil now till it becomes half of what it was. Keep stirring it occasionally. Now add some sugar according to taste into the mixture of milk and keep stirring it till it becomes half of what it was. You can see that it has also become thick and has reduced much than what it was. It looks now nice and creamy. Let this mixture cool down. Add about 2 tablespoons of milk powder into it and whisk it properly with the whisker and mix all the milk powder into it properly. Mix it properly and see to it that no lumps are there in the mixture. This has become nice and smooth now and it is ready to be set in the refrigerator. Now I will take this mixture in 2 different vessels, and in one vessel I will take some coffee powder and add it to the mixture and some cinnamon powder to enhance the taste of the ice cream. I will add some chocolate essence also to it. And I am going to add some chocolate sauce which I had made at home, and I will put it into the mixture and stir it properly. I will give it a good mix. Now this mixture is ready to get into the refrigerator. So I am going to cover it with a foil paper properly on all sides, and I am going to freeze it for about 4 to 5 hours. This is ready to go into the refrigerator. In the second mixture I am going to add some vanilla essence and whisk it properly. This mixture too also I am going to cover it with the foil paper and set it in the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours. Our both mixtures are ready. After 4 to 5 hours I have removed them from the refrigerator and I am going to churn it for the second setting. You can see how nice and thick it is. Same way the other mixture too has also become thick. I have put the mixture into a mixie jar and added a whole spoonful of cream in it, and I am going to churn it properly so that the cream gets mixed into it properly. I am going to add the kaju and kishmish into it and stir it well and I am going to cover it again with a foil paper and a lid, and I am going to refrigerate this again. I am going to cover it with a foil paper and I am going to put it in the freezer for about 10 to 12 hours so that our ice cream gets set well. Now in the second mixture also I will be adding a spoonful of cream and I'll be churning it again, giving it a good mix, and I am going to add some cookies over it. And also some chocolate pieces over it. This will give a good taste to the ice cream. This too I am going to cover and keep it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 12 hours. You can see that this looks very delicious. Now I am going to cover it with the foil paper and put it in the freezer for about 10 to 12 hours. After 10 to 12 hours, you can see that our ice cream is ready. We can remove it and serve it in a bowl. The taste is really delicious and it's a really creamy ice cream. This is the Mocha Cookies ice cream. In the same way, the Kaju Kishmish ice cream is also ready and it can be served in a bowl. Both these ice creams taste very delicious, and I hope you all will try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. Do try these delicious ice creams at home. Thank you.